Okay, change a Toyota Keyfob battery in 1 minute or less. Find a place to open the key fob. It's really good right about there. Find a small screwdriver like this. Now find the seam and crack open that key fob. So I'm going to go for it right about here. Going to press it in and it'll crack open like that. Okay, you see the screwdriver in like that? Now push it in further and wiggle it, and there's all the dirt and crud. Okay, now once it's open, you want to lift this back part with the Toyota symbol off. Okay, carefully, and there, oh, wrong way. Nope, yep, nope. Okay, so in this case, you want to peel the circuit board down and place it in this cradle. So, circuit board, peel it off of here. This isn't going to happen in a minute, I guess. And that is weird. Okay, there's a circuit board, peeling it down, and I'm going to place it where it goes on the buttons. Okay, 2 buttons, ding ding, right there, right? 2 buttons there, ding ding, ding ding. So flop it over like that. Anyway, while you have it in your hand, there's your battery, okay? So with the battery, you're going to pop it out. Don't pop it out here, those are keepers. Pop it out here, this is where it comes. Pop your screwdriver in right here and pop the battery out carefully. The new one now is on the ready. Note this is a CR1632. Pop the battery out, toss it away. Get the new battery, place it in. Place it in the same way with the Toshiba up and place it in the keepers like that. Hold your thumb and press it in so it clicks in like that. Watch this. Okay, watch. And it'll click in. Hopefully. Maybe not. Let's be a little more careful and seat the battery. Gonna click it in like this. Hold that down with your thumb, and it should go right in. This one is not going straight in. So much for my 1 minute video. Okay, gonna try it again. Am I doing this right? Keeper here. There's a keeper there, no keeper there. Okay, the battery should go right in. It's a 1632. Should go right in. This is spoiling my 1 minute video, but hey. Okay, now the battery is in. Now we want to put this back into the key fob. So first of all, note the 2 buttons here, those correspond to these buttons here. So flip it over and put it there like that. Make sure it's seated. And now you're ready to put the cover on. Okay, make sure it's seated. Here's the cover. And let's see how this goes here. Note where the little buttons are here on the side. Note the button here on the side. That's where that goes. So put it on like that. Just squeeze it now until it clicks. Wiggle it, squeeze it, click it. And it should just pop in. There it goes. Bam, bam, bam. It's done. How many minutes? 3 minutes and 10 seconds. I'm sorry. I wanted in 1 minute. I didn't make it. But anyway. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Okay. Have a nice day.